Hey, heroes of the roof. Today we're going to show you how we can easily increase your roof light dome connection height for flat roof renovations with the Renovation Frame 1 and the LAMILUX heightening element. To do this, we first apply the sealing tape again. Next, we mount the Renovation Frame 1, which we adjust again so that the gap dimensions fit, which then ensures that we can install the GRP heightening element quickly and easily. Next, we mark the drill holes at 30-centimeter intervals and pre-drill them. Now we will fasten this Renovation Frame 1 with the screws provided. Next, we place the pre-assembled GRP heightening element with the roof light dome on top of this Renovation Frame and fasten it with the screws provided. Now you can see that this GRP heightening element also sits perfectly on the Renovation Frame 1, which of course makes installation much easier because we don't have to align it again. Especially as we wouldn't see the hole now anyway, so it sits exactly on it and the gap inside fits. We now have to lay the vapor barrier, cut the insulation to the curb and, of course, seal the curb. Another advantage is that the roof light dome arrives on-site, pre-assembled together with the heightening unit. And that was one of the possible renovation solutions with LAMILUX products. If you want to see more, go to www.lamilux.com/renovation, and you'll find many more solutions for your renovation.